नहीं, बिल्कुल सही बात है। प्लास्टिक का यूज़ जितना कम कर सके वो अच्छी बात है। हमारे लिए, नेचर के लिए, हवा के लिए, पानी के लिए, सब कुछ के लिए। एंड हम जो आज करेंगे उसका जवाब हम आगे अपनी अगली जनरेशन को देंगे। सो वी नीड टू बी केयरफुल रिगार्डिंग आवर नेचर। ऑफ कोर्स हमारी फिल्म सेट्स पे अभी कोई प्लास्टिक की बॉटल्स नहीं आपको मिलेंगी, सब कुछ स्टील बॉटल्स हो गई हैं। एंड ये बिल्कुल केयर किया जाता है कि प्लास्टिक का जितना कम यूज़ हो सके या ना यूज़ हो सके वो हुआ जाए। एवरी फिल्म सेट विल गो ऑन इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ दैट। थैंक यू।
Absolutely. I think that basically what Prime Minister Modi Saab has done is an absolutely fantastic initiative. I think he really deserves all of our support. It is such an incredible initiative that he's launched, and it's very, very simple. Even if you do something as small as just not using plastic straws, not drinking from water in plastic bottles, like you can get, a container, you can get so many nice containers which are available. It will make a huge difference. किसका पोस्टर? I think it's looking incredible. I mean, that's such a fun series, and everyone is really, really looking forward to it. So I'm really looking forward to it.
हाँ जी। That's very sweet of you to say. Thank you. नहीं, today I have just come to give my clappings and my love and my respect to all the beautiful, beautiful technicians who are the real heroes behind the camera, जो हमें हीरो बनाते हैं, जो हमें ऑडियंस तक पहुंचाते हैं. I am myself a technician's son, so I have the utmost respect and love for them. So I'm just here to just give my love and respect to them. हाँ जी, 18 को, हाँ जी, 18th को आईफा में फर्स्ट टाइम परफॉर्म कर रहा हूँ आईफा स्टेज पे. आईफा स्टेज हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन वेरी स्पेशल टू मी. I've got my debut award at IFA in 2016, तो तब से बहुत स्पेशल है. But this is the first time performing on IFA stage. Little nervous but very, very excited. नहीं, अभी तो आसमान बहुत ऊंचा है, वहाँ तक पहुँचना है. बट खुशी होती है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब आपको वैलिडेट किया जाता है, आपको एक्नॉलेज किया जाता है, ऑनर किया जाता है अवार्ड्स के साथ. और ये पिछला साल मेरे लिए बहुत खूबसूरत रहा है, अवार्ड्स की वजह से भी और इस वजह से भी कि मुझे बहुत खूबसूरत फिल्मों का हिस्सा बनने का मौका मिला. परफॉर्मेंसेस को सराहा गया और फिर अवार्ड शोज़ में भी प्यार मिला, तो होस्ट करने का मौका मिला, परफॉर्म करने का मौका मिला. तो बहुत खुशी होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी होती है. हाँ जी, नहीं, देखिए, सारे जितने एक्टर्स हैं इनको तो मैं जब मैं ऑडिशन दिया करता था, स्ट्रगल कर रहा था, तब से मैं उनको देख रहा हूँ. तो आज अगर उनके साथ मेरा नाम लिया जा रहा है, मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी ऑनर की बात है. थैंक यू. थैंक यू.
Well, IFA Rocks is always the prequel to the big IFA night, which of course is on the 18th, which is the day after tomorrow. So I think it's just it's a chance for everyone to get together. There's always some really nice performances and there's a lot of fun energy, and I think everyone's just gearing up for the big night. I'm very excited about the show on the 18th. I think it's going to be a magical night. IFA is there's always something unexpected that happens at IFA. There's always like some really memorable moment, and the performances and the acts which Shamak has done is really spectacular. Me and Shamak have worked on something which is really, really new. It's something I've never done before on stage, so I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you. This dress is by designer Julian McDonald. No, my act is alone. I'm performing solo, and I think there's some great performers. There's an amazing lineup of performers, and I think it's going to be a spectacular show. I think I saw, because I can't hear you, there's a lot of noise. I don't know enough about the situation, what you're saying, but I think what we've already discussed is that we all need to do our bit to protect the environment. I think what we are seeing right now, what we just saw happen at the Amazon, is something which is really, really concerning. And I think now the problem is really coming so much in front of our face that we can no longer ignore it. So I think everyone needs to wake up and be very, very conscious of what is happening, because now it's come to the point where we will start seeing the adverse effects that it's going to have on us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sorry? Yes.